baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
The Rainbow Gem and Treasure Map, Part 7. Soon, guided by the treasure map, the Hog Pirates came to a coconut tree on Rainbow Beach and dug out a palm-sized box.
The Rainbow Gem reunited at last!
Greed quickly flashed in the eyes of the Hog Pirates, and they secretly began concocting evil plans in their minds.
If only the Rainbow Gem was all mine!
If only the Rainbow Gem belonged to me!
If only the Rainbow Gem was mine, and mine alone.
Give it to me!
All of a sudden, 3 hogs reached for the box at exactly the same time.
Drats! Everly Cameron, how dare you? How dare you try to steal the Rainbow Gem away from me?
Blaze, who wouldn't want such a valuable treasure?
Yeah!
The 3 spotted hogs fought with all their might over the Rainbow Gem, and no one was willing to yield. Uh-oh, the box suddenly flew out of their hands swiftly, making a rainbow-like arch, and plopped into the sea beside them.
My Rainbow Gem!
As soon as they saw the Rainbow Gem fall into the sea, the Hog Pirates immediately jumped into the sea to fish it out. But they did so without thinking of the consequences, putting themselves in great danger. They struggled helplessly in the water. At that critical moment, 3 orange rescue rings were thrown into the sea. The Hog Pirates quickly grabbed the rescue rings and, with help, made their way back to the beach. They looked up and saw 2 unexpected faces. They were Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Hog Pirates, the Rainbow Gem is indeed precious, but your lives are even more precious. You tried to obtain the gem with no regard for your own safety. If you might get hurt or lose your life, is the gem really worth it?
Hey, now you're right. Your life and your safety are most precious.
After hearing what Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman said, the 3 wet-spotted hogs hugged each other and cried loudly.
Boo-hoo! That was so scary, Blaze! We almost drowned!
Yeah! But how did you know?
Hey now, because Sheriff Labrador already solved your treasure map riddle a long time ago.
How is that possible? I made it so that no animal could solve my riddle!